In this video, I'll show you a simple way to fix the Instagram highlights cover not loading issue. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any step. First, open the Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Instagram. If you see the option to update, tap Update and wait for it to finish. Keeping the app updated often solves loading problems automatically. Next, go back to your home screen and open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three-line menu at the top. Scroll down and select Help. Now choose Report a Problem. Tap Report Problem again, then select Include and Continue. Here, describe the issue you're facing. Mention that your highlights cover isn't loading properly. Once you've entered the details, tap Send. Instagram will receive your report, and after a short while, the issue should be fixed. That's it. Your highlights cover should now load correctly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might have the same problem.